let's check out this small handheld fan. Oh, cute. It has a little stand. I didn't remember that from the product information. Okay, and then you've got your little charging cable. Cute. I'm checking out the fan blades. They are very thick, surprisingly durable. So for such a small handheld item, oftentimes you kind of question the quality before you receive something. This is very durable plastic, hard plastic. And even though the fan blades are somewhat translucent, they are, it's kind of frosted and it's like a thicker plastic. You can see it kind of has beveled edges. Very nice. So I guess I have to charge this bad boy up and then we'll see how it works. It does come in multiple colors, as you can see on the box, which is fun too. You like that?
Yeah, it makes the air smell better.